Francis Bacon, the painter, set fire to a whole bunch of his early work.
Okay.
He explains that just practicing and getting good at something can allow you to execute a project to a quality of 90%. Like, that's just raw practice without any investment in that medium. You can get to 90% with just hard work. But pushing it that last 10% takes all your passion and all your insight and everything that you have. And in his opinion, whenever he pushed a little too far, he couldn't look at the painting. It represented not a failure, but an unexecuted chance that he couldn't abide. And I've never destroyed early work of mine, but when he frames it that way, I kind of understand. Anytime a human being has a specific point of view from which to operate, they're going to contribute something interesting to what they're exploring. Bacon says that every project begins with a problem to solve. Great art has as much complexity as a human life, honestly. So what he says is, you set out to solve a problem. You always end up solving a different problem. But the solution is just as real as the original thing.